everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Fanatics Gift Card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to activate your Fanatics Gift Card, here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice, go to the URL box and type in www.fanatics.com in the search box and search. Make sure to log into your account first, and once you're logged in, go ahead and choose a product you'd like to shop with Fanatics, and once you find the product, simply add it on your shopping bag. Once you do that, open up your shopping cart at the top right hand corner. Now you can simply activate your gift card by checking out with a product online. So go ahead and click on the checkout button at the right hand side of the screen. In the checkout page, click on apply gift card number on the right hand side of the screen and enter your gift card number available at the back of your gift card for Fanatics. Once you enter your gift card number, click on the apply button right next to it in order to activate your gift card for Fanatics. Now simply follow the on-screen prompts on the next page and you'll be able to do that right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.